Anita. I'm the marketing director for the ProCare family, and I'm here today to talk about our online estimating tool with our awesome intern, Daisy.
Hey guys, it's great to be here. I'm really excited to talk about our online estimating tool today.
Awesome. Well, you might have recognized Daisy from our teen series. If you haven't seen that, you can go to the blog on our website to check that out.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun working on that series, but now the online estimating tool. So if I just go up to the website, it'll take me right to the estimating tool? That sounds pretty easy.
Yeah, it's actually pretty effortless. So you just go to the website and you can either do it on a desktop or your mobile phone.
Will you actually go through it with me really quick?
Of course, yeah. Let's go through the website. Click the estimating tool. Click to start. Start an estimate now. Tap which type of car you have, the year, manufacturer, that's like Ford, Honda, Toyota, model, that's like Escape, Accord, Tacoma, and it can be found on the back of your car if you don't know. Now it's time to take pictures of the car. This is your car?
Yes, it is.
All right. Well, the first thing you're going to do is tap the damage on your phone. Then you're going to take some photos. An important photo is going to be to make sure that you get a picture of your VIN number, which can be found either in the dash of the windshield of your driver's side or in the door when you open it.
I see. And so what if I'm using my desktop computer at home?
Then you're going to need to make sure to take the photos beforehand so that you can upload them to your desktop. And then you'll have an opportunity to add any notes and also your contact information so that our real-life estimator can get a hold of you.
Tom's the estimator, right? He knows what he's doing.
Yeah, Tom's great, but just remember that it is a preliminary estimate. So when you come to the shop, there might be some additional damage that we can't see from the photos, but it is a great jumping off start for our estimators at the location.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so I just want to say, if you have any more questions about the online estimating tool, please make sure to add us on social media or comment below. Thank you so much for your help today, Daisy.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Absolutely.